Hello students, today we are going to see unit number 2, and from unit number 2 there is topic number 1, rain. Do you know the poem of rain?
Yes.
Which is that?
Rain, rain, go away.
Very good. Today we are going to see one more poem and we are going to do some activities. Now look at this picture. Look, listen, sing and talk about the picture. So will you follow me?
Yes.
Come to this. The rain is falling all around.
The rain is falling all around.
It falls on the field and tree.
It falls on the field and tree.
It rains on the umbrellas here
It rains on the umbrellas here
and on the ships at sea.
and on the ships at sea.
Very good. Very nice poem is this. Look at these pictures. Look and say. So first one is rain. Spell the word rain.
R-A-I-N, rain.
Very good. What is the second one is falling. Spell the word falling.
F-A-L-L-I-N-G, falling.
Very good. The third one is around. Spell the word around.
A-R-O-U-N-D, around.
Very good. Go to the next one is field. Spell the word field.
F-I-E-L-D, field.
Very good. The next one is tree. Spell the word tree.
T-R-E-E, tree.
Okay, very good. The next one is umbrella. Spell the word umbrella.
U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella.
Very good. The next word is ship. Spell the word ship.
S-H-I-P, ship.
Very good. The last word is sea. Spell the word sea.
S-E-A-C.
Very good. Now look at these pictures. Name the things that you see in the picture. Which things do you see in the picture?
Clouds,
Okay,
ships,
good,
umbrellas,
very good,
trees.
excellent. Now, where does the rain fall? The rain
rain-
falls on.
Fields and trees.
Very good. Even it falls on.
Umbrellas and ships.
Very good. Now the last question is, where do you see the ship?
I see the ship at sea.
Very good. So, did you enjoy the poem Rain?
Yes.
Very good.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.